Hey folks, it's time for another build video. As you can see, I'm making a sign. What else is new, right? I do other things. I've really enjoyed making signs in 2019, made quite a few. But I would say that this is probably the coolest sign of 2019. So as you can see, it says the Los Angeles County Fire Department, Holton Fire Camp 16. I have a friend who's actually a firefighter that works at this camp. And I felt like doing something fun and challenging and nice at the same time. So I asked them if they had like a camp logo, and they did. And so I came up with this design using the three elements that were the main part of their sign, which is the wolf howling at the moon with fire. Makes sense. So here we go. As you can see, I'm using the wire wheel on this wood. It's actually kind of interesting. This redwood was painted at one point, and then it was sandblasted, and that's how we got this real nice raised texture on it. But I really love it. I take the wire wheel to it before I do anything with it because it's still kind of loose and it sort of raises the grain further, helps take the adhesive a little bit better. So right here I'm just putting on I believe a 90-degree V-groove fit and going at it. Alright, I'm going to shut up now and let you guys watch this magic unfold before your eyes, unencumbered by my droning voice. However, you're going to get to listen to this beautiful router sound sped up by 1,000% and some hip happening music starting now.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world gone bad. Half the people dying while the rest of us are splitting hairs. It's a good world gone bad.
In the words of Colonel John Hannibal Smith, I love it when a plan comes together. Call it luck, call it inspiration, call it whatever you want, but I think this sign absolutely turned out phenomenal. I love it. And it was a fun, simple way for me to show a little bit of appreciation to the men and women here in the Los Angeles area that defend our homes and our wilderness from brush fires. So thank you. Hopefully at some point I'll get a little bit of footage of where they've hung it so that I can post up a little video and show everyone how cool it looks in the camp. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching this. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like and be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you think. Thanks again. Have a good one.